You start the day with a full tank of willpower. By 9 p.m., you eat an entire pizza watching a show you do not even like. What happened? You ran out! Psychologists call this ego depletion. Willpower is a limited resource. Every act of self-control draws from the same pool. When it runs dry, decisions collapse. In one experiment, participants resisted fresh cookies and ate radishes instead. Then given an impossible puzzle, they gave up much faster. Resisting the cookies depleted their willpower. Obama wore the same suit every day. Jobs wore the same turtleneck. They were not making fashion statements. They were preserving willpower for decisions that actually mattered. Willpower can be trained like a muscle. Small acts of self-control practiced for 2 weeks measurably improve broader willpower. The muscle grows. Willpower runs on glucose. When blood sugar drops, self-control drops. Never make important decisions on an empty stomach. Your brain needs fuel to say no. Reduce unnecessary decisions. Train your willpower muscle with small daily acts. And do not make big choices hungry. Willpower is finite, but it is also trainable.